Every time you clinch, you are fighting for position, pushing, grabbing, trying to control. But most fighters are fighting for the wrong position entirely. And the position that controls everything is the one nobody in your gym is drilling. Ask most fighters what they want in the clinch. Double underhooks, the body lock, the necktie. All of these are valid. All of these have counters. But there is one position that makes all of your clinch offense available while shutting down all of theirs. It is not taught in most gyms. It is not drilled in most camps. And fighters are giving it away for free. Every single round.
Here is the biomechanics of clinch control. In any two-body grappling system, the fighter whose hips are lower and whose base is wider controls the direction of movement. But hip and base control alone is not enough. The critical variable is inside position. Inside position means your arms are between your opponent's arms, not outside them. Inside position gives you direct access to the opponent's centerline, their core, their hips, their balance. Outside position gives you nothing but grip on the periphery.
There is a principle from wrestling called the inside gate. The inside gate is the space between the opponent's arms and their center line. Whoever controls the inside gate controls the clinch. Every major clinch technique, the underhook, the body lock, the duck under, the snap down, all of them require inside gate control before they can be executed. The underhook is not a technique. The underhook is a consequence of winning the inside gate. Most fighters try to get the underhook. Elite wrestlers fight for the gate. Here is the specific error most fighters make in the clinch. They frame over the top. Both hands go to the opponent's shoulders, or to the biceps, or to the head from the outside. This feels controlling. It looks aggressive, but both hands are outside the opponent's arms. You have given them the inside gate for free. They now have direct access to your center line. Your underhooks are available to them. Your body lock is available to them. Every technique that requires inside position is theirs to take because you handed them the gate the moment you framed over the top.
Elite clinch fighters never enter the clinch from outside. Their first movement on every clinch entry is to fight for the inside. Both hands driving between the opponent's arms before grips are established, before frames are set. From the inside, every option is available. One underhook and one overhook, the tie clinch position. Two underhooks, the body lock. A swim move to the duck under. A snap down from the inside collar tie. All of these require you to own the inside first. Fight for the gate. Everything else follows. Method 1. Inside gate entry drilling. Face your partner at chest range, both of you in neutral position. On the signal, your only job is to get both hands inside your partner's arms before they can frame over the top of you. No takedowns, no submissions, no throws, just inside gate position. First to establish inside position with both arms wins the rep. 5 minutes, maximum competitive intensity. This builds the instinctive drive to fight for the inside the moment any clinch range is entered. Method 2. The swim move drill. Your partner frames over the top of you, both hands on your shoulders or biceps from outside. Your job? Swim one arm from outside to inside. Drive your elbow forward and down between your body and their arm until your forearm is inside and your elbow is below theirs. Now you have one inside position. From here, establish the underhook.
Switch sides. 10 reps each. Then both arms. Then live resistance. The swim move is the primary tool for recovering inside position once you have lost it. Method 3. Inside position combination drilling. Once inside position is established, you must know what to do immediately. Drill. Fight for inside gate. Establish one underhook. Immediately execute a hip throw entry. Reset. Fight for inside gate. Establish 2 underhooks. Immediately execute a body lock takedown. Reset. Fight for inside gate. Establish inside collar tie. Immediately execute a snap down. The inside position is not the goal. It is the doorway. You must know what is on the other side and walk through it without hesitation. Here is the problem most technique-focused fighters face in live clinch work. Strength. A stronger opponent can often override inside position with raw force, ripping your frames off and imposing their preferred grip. This means inside position must be maintained dynamically, not held statically. The moment they begin to force, you move, you reset, you refight the gate. Position is a process, not a destination. Stop thinking about the clinch as a position to escape from. The clinch is an offense zone. The fighter who controls the inside gate controls everything that happens there. Elbows, knees, trips, throws, all of it flows from inside position. Only inside, and the clinch stops being somewhere you survive. It becomes somewhere you hunt. You have been giving the inside gate away. Every time. For free. Inside gate entry drill, swim move drill, inside combination drilling. 2 weeks? And the clinch that used to feel like somewhere you were just surviving will feel like somewhere you are in complete control.
How did you like the video? Share with others. Subscribe for more. Support the channel. Keep learning.